pa, buti sa Pilipinas na lang sana ako. Meron bang ganun tayo dumaan, sumagi sa isip mo? Wala. So, ano ka tayo yung decision mo 18 years ago na mag-Canada is yung ano?
Yeah, it's worth
It until now, after 18 years, yeah.
Yes. Kasi yun yung dream ko na to go outside Canada. Outside Philippines.
Oh, so ano talaga ang gusto mo dati din tayo mag-abroad?
Abroad, work abroad, live abroad.
Live abroad sa
Sorry,
malamig na
natin.
lugar. Ay, pareho tayo, ti.
Ayun.
Kasi ako din that was the plan before na ano talaga, I want to live in the place na ganito ba, malamig, may init, may the seasons, kay 4 ang seasons.
Yes.
Diba 4 seasons ang tawag niyan?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one. So second question is, so walang pinagsisisihan si ate 18 years ago, ako nga 4 months. I'm 4 months now, so sarap dito guys, mas gusto ko dito. Ayoko magtanggal ng sakit. So yun, 4 months, wala akong regrets dahil diba gusto ko dito magpunta eh. So my second question is, charot. My second question. What would be your advice to all the people who are dreaming to come here in Canada? OFWs mostly. In Asia and Middle East. Ano yung may aircon? Sweater? Do you want sweater? Higaan mo unan? Okay, gamitin mo yun. Kasi ano man, mainit man.
Ano yung tanong mo, sis?
Ang ano ko, what would be your advice to all the people who are dreaming to come here in Canada? OFWs mostly. In Asia and Middle East. Anong may papayo mo sa kanila? Yung mga nangangarap, one
is be focused on your goal.
Yeah, focus on your goals.
And have faith in the
Have
Lord.
faith in the Lord.
And sabi nga, seek ye first thy kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. So
That's third.
go with the flow.
Go
so
with the flow.
if there's opportunity, then go for it. Grab
Yeah.
it, and God will make a way.
Yeah. Totoo yun, di ako din. Grabe ang prayer ko sa ano. Ito, yung Canada na ano. Sabi ko, pero hindi ako nag-iingay ha. Yung kinakausap lang, ginawa kong routines, ginawa kong alam mo yung kinakausap mo ba, 'di ba? There are times na kakausapin mo ang sarili mo. Meron kang gustong kausapin na ayaw mong kausapin ng mga tao, it's because ay mahal doon. Baka ayaw mo na makarinig ng mga opinion na ay mahal doon. Yung paano mo gagawin yun? I don't want to hear any of those like gives me negative vibes na yung plano kong mag-Canada kasi alam kong mahal talaga eh.
Yeah.
Hindi siya 10,000, it's not 20,000, it's more than, it's 200, it's 350, ganyan. Ang pera mong kakailanganin. So my third question is, charot. Diba may maganda na akong content mamaya. What is your advice to me as a newbie in Canada? Sa mga newbie na nandito. To me kasi diba ikaw 18 years ka na, ako 4 months pa lang. So to all the newbies in Canada, especially me, charot. Okay.
Enjoy life.
And then
yung company na mga especially belong to the church. So kasi
find people na
something
people na
to uplift you when you are lonely, when you are alone. Sila yung mag-guide at to be strong and courageous.
So choose your people to be with na
Yes.
Kasi 'di ba merong iba dito nung dumating parang nagulat eh. Diba? Yung parang sige na lang gala, sige na lang shopping, sige na lang, 'di ba? So dapat pala choose people kasi 'di ba foreign country eh, no?
Yes.
So kailangan mo yung maghanap ka ng mga tao na magdadala sa iyo sa kabutihan, hindi sa the other way around. So maganda
Kasi dito kasi madali ka ring maubusan ng pera dahil shopping to the max. Sabi nila mura lang, but in the long run you need to save money.